guys, and welcome back to another unboxing obsession video. I am back with you guys with the Chingona box, which is in English is the badass box. This is for the month, I believe this is for the month of November, if I am not mistaken, or it might be December. I will leave you guys all the information you need in order to go ahead and subscribe to this amazing box, guys. I will leave everything like I usually do on the description box down below because I don't want to keep wasting time. I know you guys want to see what's in here, so look at my information card. This box is so amazing, guys. So this is the NOPAL Love. It's the theme of the box. So all the participating brands are listed here. Woohoo! Look how nice. Love the box. Look how pretty. Okay, so let's get started. Let's do this unboxing, guys. Who doesn't love, if you are subscribed to my channel, that means that you love watching unboxing videos. So you guys must be eager to see what's inside this box. And look at this. Oh my god, I'm already loving this box. Look how pretty. So we have a magnet and it's a cactus. Let's open it. So pretty. Okay, and let's see which of the participating brands the magnet is from. So we have the Dreamy Gallery, which is going to be for the clean floral candle. We have a succulent soap. We have the Amor Shop, which is the Nopal hair clip. We have Amorcitos, which is going to be a greeting card. We have Tiny Barks, which is going to be stickers. And then we have the cactus. The Chingona Box gift is the cactus magnet set and the Nopal pen. So we have, this is a set, so that means that this is one here. And we have the other one right here. Look how gorgeous they are. So pretty. Guys, this box, every month this box has a different theme, and every theme is like so good. It's so good. That's like all I can say. It's like it's so good. You will have to actually watch my previous unboxing videos of this box so that you can see for yourself how good this box is and how much fun. This box is so much fun. So this is the cactus pen. How pretty. Oh wait, I think I see another cactus. Oh wait a minute. Okay, this is a 3-piece set, guys. This wasn't 2 like I thought. This is 3. Look how pretty. Love them. I can't wait to put them on my fridge. So next up, we have Love Comes in All Shapes, and this is the premium soy candle. Smells so good, guys. Wish you guys could like smell this. It smells amazing. Next up, we have a succulent soap, and it's scented with lemongrass. Okay, I would like to know how I am supposed to get in there. There we go. The theme for this month is so adorable. Look at that. So adorable. I'm in love with this box, with this month's theme. Next up, we have from Amor Beauty Shop. This is a hair clip. Look how pretty that is. Oh, so cute. I might take this, guys. I have a surprise for you guys. I am going on a cruise next month, and I am going to try. I say try because when you're having fun, it's like it's so hard to be recording your vacation. But I'm gonna try to record as much as I can and look at the sticker to share with you guys. The sticker is so pretty. And next up, and we have the gift card. This is so pretty, like for a birthday, and it's blank to whatever, whoever you want to give this to, and it comes with the envelope. Guys, this box is so amazing. Like I previously said, each month has a different theme, and so far out of all the boxes that I have received, I love all the themes. And with that said, guys, thank you for watching. If you have not joined my channel yet, I would love to have you here. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. That way, every time I upload a video, you are notified. So with that said, guys, bye, and I will see you back with a different unboxing video. Bye, guys.